often than not, I don't really think about what I eat. Fast food, fried foods, vegetable oils, corn oil, grain-fed animal fat, processed ingredients, fillers. I know it's bad for me. And it's pretty much common knowledge that today's diet doesn't provide the essential DHA-rich omega-3 fatty acids that my body and brain really need. But who really has time to pay that much attention? By now, everyone seems to know that increasing your intake of omega-3s, especially DHA, is essential to good health. But who really wants to eat that much fish? New and improved Forever Arctic Sea. It's a proprietary blend of natural fish and calamari oil. The most bioavailable and environmentally friendly source of DHA available. Now with 33% more DHA. Essential nutrition for my cardiovascular system, brain, eyes, joints, mood. Optimal health and wellness. It's the perfect, most advanced omega-3 DHA-rich nutritional supplement on the market. With Forever Arctic Sea and a healthy diet, I know I'm getting all the essential omega-3s I need. And I've definitely noticed a difference. And now that I'm committed to eating better, I'm also committed to the best omega-3 supplement out there. Forever Living Products Forever Arctic Sea Super Omega-3. DHA-rich calamari oil. With 33% more DHA, it's the best omega-3 supplement in its class. New and improved Forever Arctic Sea. From Forever Living Products. Now that's a healthy catch.